Hello, welcome back to Limited Insight, and today we're going to show you how to make a classic tiki cocktail in the Mai Tai. There are lots of different ways that this drink is made, but we are going to show you how to make the classic recipe, made the more authentic way, and of course the best. I will put the ingredients for this one in the description, but just to run you through them, you will need 2 shots of Captain Morgan's rum. You can use Jamaican rums if you like, or other Caribbean rums, equally as good. A nice bit of orange liqueur with the Cointreau. You want half a lime juice and some almond syrup. So you only want about 15 ml of this stuff, so I've just popped it in this little glass. And of course, plenty of ice. So first of all, what you want to do is extract half the juice out of this lime. So I want to get that in there. Woohoo! There we go. So now you have all of your ingredients ready. You want to crush some ice. So you want to add a little crushed ice to a shaker. And then your ingredients. So your half the juice of a lime, your almond syrup, you want 2 shots of rum, and then finally your orange liqueur. So, lid on the cocktail shaker, fill a glass with ice. And then simply strain into your drink. Voila! Now you just want to add a little garnish. So we'll go for a lime wedge. Let's add a little mint as well. And there you go. Classic Mai Tai. That's really it. Dead easy. So that's it for this one. Thank you very much for watching. There are loads more cocktail ideas on Limited Insight, so give the channel a try. If you didn't hate this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Limited Insights from me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.